Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Alki Alisubing, kelas TK Teknik Komputer 24A. Di sini saya membuat video untuk memenuhi tugas kuis 1 dan kuis 2 yang berdurasi 20 menit. Dan mata kuliah sistem operasi. Basic concept and operating system structure. Basic concept of operating system. An operating system (OS) is system software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provide service for computer program. It acts as an intermediary between the user and the hardware, allowing user to run application and interact with the computer system efficiently. Common examples of operating system include Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Objective of an operating system: 1. To provide a convenient and efficient environment for user to execute program, and to manage hardware resources and allocate them fairly and efficiently, to enable multitasking and multiprocessing for various applications, to provide a consistent interface for application to access hardware service. Slide 3. Main function of an operating system: 1. Processing management. Handles the creation, scheduling, and termination of process. Provide mechanism for process communication and asynchronization. Two, memory management. Allocate and deallocate memory to active process, manage virtual memory, and memory protection. 3. File system management organizes storage and retrieves data using a structured file system, control file access permissions, and metadata. 4. Device management. Manage hardware device through driver, facilitates communication between software and input or output device. 5. Security and protection. Prevent unauthorized access to the system. Manage user authentication, and access right. Type of operating system. Type of OS description example. But OS process jobs in batch without user interaction. IBM OS 360 time sharing OS multiple user share system resource simultaneously Unix and Linux. Real-time OS provide immediate response to input with strict time constraints. FreeRTOS PXWorks embedded as used in embedded embedded system with limited resource. Androiding and Tizen. Distributed OS manage multiple machines as one logical system on mobile plan 9. Mobile desktop used in personal device and everyday computing. Windows, Android, and Mac OS. Operating system structure. The structure of an OS refers to how its components are organized and how they interact. The architecture impacts the system flexibility, reliability, performance, and maintainability. Number one, monolithic structure and two-layered structure. Three, microkernel structure. Four, modular structure. Five, virtual machine structure. And six, client server model. Next, one monolithic structure. All OS service, process, memory, file, and the device management run with a single layer kernel. Each component can freely communicate with the others. Advantage: high performance, fast access to hardware. Disadvantage: hard to maintain and debug. A single failure might crash the entry system. Example: Microsoft DOS early UNE. Next, two-layer structure. The OS is divided into layers with each layer built on top of the one below. The lowest layer interact with hardware and the top layer interface with user application. Advantage: clear separation of concerns, easier to test and maintain. Disadvantage: overhead due to multiple layer transaction, limited flexibility across layer. Example: the operating system. Next, number 3, microkernel structure. Only essential services like memory management, processing, scheduling, and IPC are inside the kernel. Other services run in user space as independent process. Advantage: high stability and security, easier to extend or modify. Disadvantage: slower performance due to communication overhead. Example: Mini QNX and Much. Next, number 4, modular structure. A modular kernel allow component like driver or file system to be loaded or removed at runtime. It combines the performance of monolithic design with the flexibility of microkernel. Advantage: flexible and customizable. Simple phase update and maintenance. Example: modern Linux, Windows NT. Number 5, virtual machine structure. A single physical machine holds multiple virtual machine (VMs) each running its own OS. This is managed by a hypervisor or virtual machine monitor. Advantage: strong isolation between systems and ideal for development, testing, and for computing. Disadvantage: requires more system resource at performance overhead. Example: VM where VirtualBox and Hyper-V. Next, 6, client servers model. In this structure, the OS is divided into servers that provide service and clients that request them. Communication occurs through IPC or RPC. Advantage: highly modular and scalable, fits well with networked and distributed systems. Disadvantage: complex message handling, higher latency between components. Next, consolation. An operating system is essential for managing computer resources and providing a platform for user interaction and application execution. It handles critical tasks like memory allocation, process scheduling, and hardware management. Your structure determines how its internal components work together with various models, monolithic layer, microkernel, etc. Suited to different needs. A deep understanding of OS concept and architecture is crucial for anyone pursuing a career in computer science, yeah, software engineering, or IT system management. Thank you. Sekian dari saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.